Hello student, write down all these structures. We have to do nomenclature, IUPAC naming of the given compound. This is structures, and then 2-methyl-butyl. This is structure is either 2-methyl-butyl or S-pentyl, isopentyl or 3-methyl-butyl. Second question, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree carbon are present in A, B. These two compounds are given to you have to select which one. And then this compound, bicyclo compound, we have discussed earlier, draw these structures. And then active amyl alcohol, you have to write down IUPAC naming as well as how many isomers it will form and type of alcohol. And then in the case of A and B, how many number of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and quaternary carbon are present, and in case B also, how many number of 1 degree and 3 degree carbon are present in this case. Okay, now we will go for first of all isopentyl grouping. So as this CH3 grouping is iso grouping. Okay, so it is isopentyl grouping. Total 5 carbons, so pentyl. Now in case of second example, we have to draw the structure. It is 2, 2, 3. So trimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. It is written, no need to write it here. Okay, so you have to count 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree carbons are here, and 1 quaternary carbon is also there, 3 degree carbon is also there, 2 degree carbon is also there. So this is the correct answer for 2, that this is only having 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree as well as quaternary carbon. Why it is not, the second one is not, option is incorrect, because it is having only 1 degree carbon as well as 3 degree carbon. Okay, that is why, because in adjacent position there is CH3. There is no any CH3 group on the top of the 1 carbon above and below. When above and below and side inside both the side carbon is there, then only it will be quaternary carbon. Clear? So for 2, answer A is correct. It is having all type of degree carbon. So correct answer I told you. Now how many 1 degree carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1 degree carbon and 2 degree carbon. Only 1 2 degree carbon, 1 3 degree carbon, 1 4 degree carbon. So I have written that. Okay, now we will go for the next one. 8th question I have done here because it is just matches it. So it is having 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 2 3 4 5 1 degree carbon, and total 3 1 2 3 3 degree carbon. Clear to you? So there is no quaternary carbon, there is no 2 degree carbon. Sometimes I discuss this because sometimes they are asking which is not having 2 degree and 2 degree carbon at all. At that time you had to correct this. Okay, I have not given it this, but question can be asked like this. That is why we are discussing it. Now question number 3, we have discussed bicyclo compound earlier. Okay, in bicyclo compounds there is 3 bridges here, because here first carbon and 4th carbon is tertiary carbon, and in between this 2 and 3 they are making bridge 1 2 3 4, 1 bridge here, 1 6 5 4 1 bridge here, and 1 7 4 1 bridge here. So 2 additional carbon are here, 2 additional carbon are here. This is first bridge, this is second bridge. Because first and second bridge both are equal, so we can write on 2, 2, 1. And 1 why I have written, because third bridge in between headed carbon there is only 1 carbon. So and the total carbon are 7, so that is why I have written heptane. Okay, so bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. Clear to you? Now we will discuss the other one. 3 bridges I discussed. 1 bridge between 1 star 4 star is having 2, 3 2 additional carbon. In second bridge additional carbon 6 and 5, so 2 additional carbon. And in third bridge only 1 additional carbon 7, 1, 7, 4, so 1. So that is why bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane is the name of the compound. Clear to you? Now we will go for the next one. Next one, you see they have given very cleverly a different type of question, but do you know that it is just similar to the first one we have discussed. See here, this is 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 carbon having stars, and then 5, 6. And here in between 7. So just similar to that, whether we have to make hexagon or like this, there are 2 bridges. So this is same bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. Okay, so we can write on like that and or like this, both are one and the same. Now we'll go for the next question. Active amyl alcohol. All alcohols which are having C5H12O grouping, all alcohols are known as amyl alcohols. Okay, but here they have asked active amyl alcohol, so it is this. What is it? 2-methyl-1-butanol. It is 1 degree alcohol, that is primary alcohol, because primary alcohol it is because 1 degree CH2H grouping is there, it is 1 degree carbon. Okay, now and then this is, see, all the 4 groups are different, that is why it is optically active. I made a star here. It is optically active, so it will form 2 isomers, D and L, 2 isomers it will form. Clear? Write down all this structure, take a screenshot. I am Veena Dikshit, your chemistry mentor. Okay, now we will discuss the other one. See here I made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see here, this is bridge diagram. Both the side there are equal number of carbon. Here 2 carbon, 1 and 2. Here also 2 carbon. I am giving you the quick idea. 2 carbon. So first carbon, this 2 from first bridge, this 2 is from second bridge, and this is the smallest bridge. 1 and 4, there is no carbon in between, so it will be 0. Total number of carbon, how many are there? Ending here 6. So hexane. It is bicyclo 2, 2, 0 hexane. Sometimes somewhere are they, instead of 0 they are saying O. So 2, 2, O hexane. Clear? Now this is just similar to this, so no need to confuse. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just similar to this. It is also now we'll go for the 7 one. This is bicycling ring, and if there will be circle, it will be naphthalene, but it is reduced to decahydro. I have written somewhere, I think, but here I have not written. It is decahydronaphthalene. In the question I have written. See, so I have drawn the structure. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total carbon 10. So I have written decane. Okay, then 2 rings are present, so I have written bicyclo. Now within the bracket, what will be there? See, here 1, in between 1 and first and 6 star carbon, that is called bridge-headed carbon. Don't go on the terms. You see, this is the joining one, this is tertiary carbon, so we have to see how many rings are here, and adjacent to it, how many bridges it will form, and accordingly you have to name. Always bicyclic compounds are making 3 bridges. How many? 3. So the carbon between 1 and 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4 in number, and here in second bridge 1, 2, 3, 4 in numbers. So 4 additional carbon here, 4 additional carbon here. So 4 and 4 has come from first bridge and second bridge. There is no any carbon in between, so it is 0. So bicyclo 4, 4, 0 decane. Clear? First bridge having 4 carbon in additional carbon, and first bridge also having 4 carbon additional. Second bridge also having 4 carbon additional, and third bridge having no additional carbon. So this is the 0. Last one is 0. Okay, so I think we have discussed everything over here. Nothing is left. Optical isomers also I told you about this, because it is having a chiral carbon, so it will form optically active isomers, and that is shown in D and L forms. 2 isomers it will form, and 1 degree alcohol. God bless you. All the best.